Hey there, let's talk about cleaning. Specifically, how much time you spend vacuuming and mopping every week. If you're tired of the endless cycle, I've got something that's going to change your life. Meet the Dreame D9 Max Gen 2 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, a powerful, smart, and super efficient cleaning machine that's here to make your floors spotless without any effort. Let me tell you why this robot is a game changer. First off, this isn't just a vacuum. It's a two-in-one cleaning powerhouse. It vacuums and mops, so you can tackle dust, dirt, and stains all at once. Whether you've got hardwood floors, carpets, or tiles, this robot has you covered. And with 6,000 PA of suction power, it can pick up everything from fine dust to large crumbs and even deeply embedded pet hair. It's like having a mini tornado cleaning your floors. Now here's where it gets even better. The D9 Max Gen 2 comes with a floating brush that effortlessly glides over carpets and floors, picking up dirt and debris without getting stuck. And if it encounters obstacles, it automatically lifts the brush to keep moving smoothly. Plus, it's got a 570 ml dustbin that can hold a ton of dirt, pet hair, and debris, so you don't have to empty it as often. It's designed to make cleaning as hassle-free as possible. But wait, it gets smarter. This robot uses LDS Navigation to create accurate maps of your home and plan the most efficient cleaning routes. You can even customize the cleaning zones through the app, setting up no-go zones or no-mop areas to keep it from cleaning where you don't want it to. It's like having a cleaning assistant with a built-in GPS. Here's another cool feature. It's got smart suction adjustment for carpets. When it detects a carpet, it automatically increases suction power to deep clean embedded dirt and hair. And when it's back on hard floors, it switches to mopping mode with 3 adjustable water levels to tackle stubborn stains and grime. It's so versatile, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. And let's not forget the runtime. This robot can clean for up to 240 minutes on a single charge. That's enough to handle even the biggest homes without stopping. Plus, it's got smart Pathfinder technology to avoid obstacles like toys, furniture, and kitchen islands, so it won't get stuck or bump into things. It's like having a cleaning assistant that actually thinks. So if you're ready to ditch the mop, the broom, and the hassle of cleaning, the Dreame D9 Max Gen 2 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is here to make your life